All right, folks, so here I have another great device I'm looking forward to from Engenius. I recently switched to my Netgear router to the ESG620, I believe it is, Engenius router. And it's a fantastic router, but the Netgear had built-in Wi-Fi, and that Wi-Fi was sort of serving a lot of my outdoor devices. So Engenius was gracious enough to send this to me to test and review. This is the Engenius ECW270 Cloud 6, it says 4x4 outdoor access point. Very heavy duty, same white Engenius look. You can see here there are 5 3/8 antenna ports. There's a Ethernet in and looks like an Ethernet out to daisy chain. And there may be a fuse. I'm not sure what this is. Let's be nosy enough to screw it out and see. Probably shouldn't, but why not, right? If it's there, you can. Can't tell what that is. It's some, I don't know if it's a drain port. I don't know what it is. There's no, I think this is a brand new product from Engenius, so I don't remember seeing any literature in the box. I'm going to show you the box in a minute. It says 5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, LAN 2, LAN 1, and power. So I guess this is LAN 2 and LAN 1. And power, that doesn't look like a power button. It doesn't press or anything. It is PoE. And so if we get into the box itself, you'll see here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 antennas. There's a mounting plate that obviously will go on the surface that you mount into, and then the access point will connect to this very thin sheet. This is a declaration of valid for configurations. This is not a user manual. There is a ground cable, and I do believe that there is a ground. I remember looking at the back of this, and this has the ground symbol. So I suspect that they want you to ground it, and I've already looked at where I'm going to install it and where I can ground it. And I guess that's the ground screw that they included. We have an additional bracket that I am assuming likely, if we look at this real quick, just off the top of my head, I would assume that there's some way for this to connect to the back of the access point, and maybe there's some way that these two get interconnected. I am not sure. There's no manual. Like I said, I will have to figure this out, and you will see it once I install it. There's a PoE injector and a pipe strap with a bunch of mount bolts. So that's all that comes with it. Stay tuned. I will set it up, and then I'll let you know at the end. I'll do a quick video showing you where it is and just talking about how I set it up and what it was like. So stay tuned for the ECW270 coming to you soon. Just to add on, folks, before I go, as I put it together, I realized this is a mounting bracket for the back. This is the bracket that I would use because I would screw this directly into the front of my garage. But this also comes with it that you can mount here, and now it makes sense because that screws in here, and the pole strap is to connect this to a pole if you're going to mount it on a pole up in the ear. So that's what that's for. For my installation, I will not be using that. I will be going like this straight into the face of my garage, coming out, and the wires will run into the garage. So stay tuned.